We got here.
Just a butt hair under a half ounce.
Okay.
Just a butt hair under. Yeah, you know, let's go ahead and see.
That's all right. That's all right.
That's why you have to go to 6 to 1 because it's supposed to be a 3. Aquaregia is a 3 to 1, right?
Right.
But
Since it's a weaker version, we're going 6 to 1.
Right.
Okay. Now to go ahead and add the gold to it and then put it on heat and see if it'll react. Hold this still, maybe we can see the bubbles. Oh, I seen them just a second ago. Alright, there's gold cooking. There's gold cooking in acid.
What's the best angle, Ray?
I don't know. That's good enough. We got a picture of it. Go ahead and cover it back up. Let it keep on reacting.
Oh man, it's still roiling. Wow.
It's look at that reaction.
Yeah, it's still
look at that color.
It's boiling. Definitely got some bubbles coming up. I don't know if it's boiling or if it's a reaction.
That's a reaction.
But it's been in the crock pot for about an hour and a half now.
Yep. It's doing its job.
And there's definitely there's still some golden looking stuff in the solids at the bottom though, like that. I don't know if that's gonna pick it up, but down on the bottom you can definitely see some golden looking flakes. Big flakes.
Move that light a little bit over to the side.
Maybe through the side. No.
Yeah. Actually, that looks
through the
good.
side.
There you go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's. Oh man. Wow.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks cool. All right. And here we are the next morning with Dave's AR solution. So I'm gonna let Dave mess with it. I'm not gonna mess with his solution. It looks pretty. Well, here's what that half a gram looks, or I can't remember the number on it. Half an ounce. Looks like. Yeah. Put it through a filter and see what we get out of it. I should have put my gloves on. You get that stuff on your fingers, it's going to stain your fingers. Perfect. Yeah.
Where's that flashlight?
It's still pretty yellow, so it's probably going to take some more SMB than that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it will. Get it.
Want me to hold the camera? Things are not reacting near as hard as my last batch did.
Not boiling. This is, this was measured.
You must have really got rid of almost all the nitric out of it.
Oh, I don't think so, man. I had 100 milliliters in there. But it was the proper ratio of nitric to hydrochloric, though.
See if I can get different angles of the camera and the lighting.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's always so tough when it's dark out like that.
You know it. You're almost out of fluid space.
Yeah.
Might have to just let it sit for a while and see if it'll drop.
See if it clears up. Well, I'm almost out of SMB too, so let me just finish putting that in.
Damn sure turned muddier.
It sure shit is muddy.
Alright.
Give it a while to react and see if it clears up. It should. It should turn clear.
Looks like weak chocolate milk right now.
Yeah, it does. It looks like it's getting lighter, actually, to me.
Huh.
Sure. Oh, yeah, you can see it in the bottom. It's falling out. Look at that down there. See it all falling out? That's kind of cool.
You can see the particles dropping, that's for certain. All right. Give us a minute.
Yeah.
You got your drink? You got your beer? Okay. I wish I'd have filmed this before, but you can kind of see the yellow tint. So when I'm heating the AR solution up, it gives off steam. The steam collects in the bottom of this, and it also has collected in the sand. Is that steam got gold in it? Well, we had a fair puddle of the steam in this metal thing and just sprinkled some S&B on it, and it instantly turned black. So, that's Ray's stupid gold question for the day when it comes to this chemical refining. Is the steam gold? So, check it out. I decided to pour Dave's nugget that we just did with the paper and all the paper and everything. And I seen fluid drop out into the mold before the paper dropped out into the mold. Now that graphite crucible. Here, I'll show you the graphite.
And I'm wondering if maybe that's all that we're seeing was the paper.
So it's still hot.
Not just hot enough, but it's actually all just paper.
I don't think it's getting hot enough, but I'll bet you there's some kind of a pore at the bottom of that. Okay, let's smack this nugget out here and see what it looks like. Get the paper and everything on it. Here, let's pick it up here and look at here. Weird how the paper did that instead of carbonizing.
Let's knock that paper off. See what? Oh boy, there's something in there.
There's something in it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's shattered. What? The pour looked better than that.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, shit. Wow.
Turn it over. Let's see what's in there. Shit. Huh.
Okay, talk about your epic failure pour. Not good. All that paper had the fucking gold. Or all that paper had the gold. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get that cherry red hot, and then I'm going to dump that all into there with this acetylene torch. Getting the mold as hot as possible now. Little red light up at the very top of the screen on.
Yep, yeah, it's recording it. Gone through oxygen and acetylene this time. No more matte gas. That thing's pretty hot.
It's in there, that's for certain.
picking up on it. It is starting to melt a little bit. Whatever it is. I think that we're probably going to have to burn this back down into aqua red here and bring it back again and try something different, because that was a crappy pour. Thanks for pushing that in, Ray. I appreciate that.
I'm trying to do what I can.
Alright, so Ray's been torching on that thing for a good minute and a half or so by now. And it's definitely molten. I'm really trying to escape out the mold on a couple of sides. There's that little corner. Man, try turning down the flame.
I'm trying to get them to join, but they're not joining.
Alright, looks like we're going to have to re-pour. Yeah, I see what you're saying. So, there you go.
You don't want to join.
I mean, they're probably not pure enough to
Looks
join.
like 3 of them.
Yeah, it does look like there's 3 of them.
There's 3 pieces of steel there, and the rest is flux.
I hope it's gold, not steel. There's gold in it. Pull the torch back for just a second, and I can get a shot of it. So, oh man, it's there we go. There we go. So it's.
Let me get the heat back.
Yeah. There's those 3.
There's a 4th one right there. Did you see that?
Oh, a little tiny one.
There's a 4th one right there.
Yeah, okay, let's call it 4. There's a 5th one even next to that 4th one.
And there's Dave's nugget melted into a hexagonal shape. And there's the button of gold in our magnifying glass. How about that? Put it on the scale and see what it weighs. That was out of a 1/2 ounce of gold. And there it is. 147 grains. Or no, let's see, it'd be 148.7 grains. 148.7 grains. Gold. I just had my wife do the math. From 240 grains to 147 grains, that's a 61% pure gold recovery rate. Wow. Sure hoping Juno Gold was better than that. I was hoping for around 70%, not 61. Oh well, choice party. Nuggets, buttons, mine's buttons. I got the mine's buttons. I'm holding it in my hand. Hey, better yet, watch this. Here, hold on. Put my cigarette down. Oop! Oh, we dropped it on the floor too. There. Hey, what's Ray gonna? What does Ray do with nuggets? Yep. We bite them. Actually, there's my tooth mark right there, right on the edge of my thumbnail. And one of them. Where's the top bone? Was right there too. You bite it and it turn it, you dent it with your biting. You bite it. That's the real gold. Not everybody gets to do that. Later.